guys, so here we have a new Alfa Romeo Quadrifoglio. The car had a little bit of an accident and it's gonna need its upper rail replaced. Here we have the car completely taken apart with the rail cut out on a car bench system. This is the only bench approved for Alfa Romeo, and it ensures a perfect fit. When we set up these jigs and measure them properly, we know when we put in the new rail assembly that it's gonna be exactly in factory spec location. As you can see here, we have all the wiring removed. Upper rail, strut tower, lower rail has all been removed. Steering, suspension, everything's out of the car from the firewall forward. Getting ready for the new replacement piece. This is the only way this job should be done. A lot of times you'll see parts that are way past their repair threshold. People are repairing parts that should be replaced. Here we find and take a great deal of pride in replacing everything once it needs to be replaced using only factory parts and factory recommended procedures and equipment.